ticket cleared, features shipped, bug fixed. Look at that velocity. It is what a senior developer is, right? Pure speed? That is the biggest myth in software development. We think getting senior means becoming the fastest typist, the one who knows every single line of code, every command line tool. But when a developer steps into that senior role, the value they bring changes completely. The truth is, the quiet power of a senior developer isn't measured in the lines of code per hour. When a developer is junior, their primary job is to add value by writing code. But as the developer moves up, their primary job is to add value by reducing the complexity. Think of it this way. A junior developer might spend a week fixing a bug. A mid-level developer will fix it in 2 days. A senior developer will prevent that bug from happening in the first place. The shift is from the developer can fix it to the developer can prevent it. The most valuable tool for the senior developer isn't the IDE. It is their communication and foresight. It is asking the right question in a planning meeting to save hours of the team development time down the line. It is leverage. What does a senior developer actually do? They focus on the hidden skills that multiply the entire team output. First, communication and context. They don't just solve the problem. They explain why it happened, how they fix it, and the safeguard they put in place. That's why writing documentation skills is so important in open source pull request reviews. It locks that knowledge into the project. Second, mentoring. They don't solve the juniors developers' code for them. They guide them through a solution. This is how the team scales. They teach others to recognize the code smells they already recognize. Third, reducing entropy. Senior developers are obsessed with simplifying. They look at the code and wonder, where is this unnecessary complexity? What could be simplified? And they cut this unnecessary complexity. True seniority is about making a team faster and safer, not just the individual developers. So if a developer wants to master the senior role, they must stop trying to write all the code themselves. They need to start focusing on making the team more efficient. The goal is to become a force multiplier. Stop racing the clock and start questioning the requirement. Stop writing code that the individual understands and start writing code that the next person will understand instantly. Stop avoiding documentation and start treating it as the most important feature that can be built. The quiet power of a senior developer, it is not the ability to type fast. It is the ability to think slowly and communicate clearly. And that is a skill that any developer can start practicing today. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think is the quiet power of a senior developer. But as for me, see each other in another video.